Hello, check out these two bantam builds that I made with opposing thumb studs. In the small blade position, I made the pen blade to have serrations. Serious package rippers, both of them. This one's made in African rosewood called Bubinga, and I put different kinds of thumb studs. I like this thumb stud a little bit more. You too could be part of the brotherhood. Yep. Anyhow, check out the other one. This one's made in Bocote. Package ripper. One more time. I do like the other thumb stud a little better. It's easier to operate. What do you think? Yeah, this is the one. So if you'd like one of these knives built, check out mastersselectsak.com. Send me a message, and you too could be part of the brotherhood. Take care. All the best.